This almost looks like Fred Flintstone's car. Well, before I fix the Fred Flintstone side, I gotta fix this transmission bump or tunnel, whatever it is. So let's go get one. There it is. It looks so new. All right, let's check out what we got to do. All right. Well, there's the transmission tunnel, I'm going to call it, and the floor pan for the right side, passenger side. I thought I was going to be able to get away with cutting it right here and then just welding it from here over, but I don't think that's going to be the case. It's pretty bad underneath, I can see it. Anyways, between the two, first thing to do is to take off this. This is the part I don't like. It's a game called Find the Spot Welds. God, I hate that. Because I usually tear up the piece that I'm trying to take out. Anyways. Hey, real quick, I turned the Camaro on its side. I didn't realize that it's actually welded underneath as well as on top, as you can see. So I'm just cutting this off. This actually right here is pretty good, but up to where you strap down the seat, it's really crappy. So I think this is a line where I'm gonna weld it together. Otherwise, it looks pretty good on this side. We'll see when we flip that on the inside of the car where the seat goes. We'll see what that looks like underneath. All right, I just got done pulling it off. This strip right here is actually where I'm going to attach it, the new piece. So anything forward is going to be new, also on the hump. And as you can see, it's all rusted. I'm glad I pulled it off. I know the other one's rusted. That's going to drive me crazy. I'm going to want to pull it off, but it really doesn't need to be changed. But look at all that rust. I know that's under there. And you can see this is not even treated. You can see bare metal right here. Here's the bottom of that base for the seat. Bare metal. I mean, it didn't rust, but started there. It's all pitted. It's all rusty. Looks like crap. All right. That's it for now. All right, I've removed the other seat frame support. Pretty sure that's what it's called. From the other side. Because I wanted to do the transmission hump, tunnel, whatever you want, first, then do the floor pan, and then put the new seat support frames on. But I am going to go ahead and do the floor pan passenger side first. So, yeah, that's a better view. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, what I did is I marked it off with my Sharpie. As you can see, the black mark right there. All I had was black anyways. And then this is my measurement for error. I'm actually cut right here all the way around. And then I'm going to stop right there. And then what I'm going to do is remove these spot welds and along here. So that's the next step. Then I'm going to pull it out and I'll have a template because I got to line this hole back up and of course this one. But but I want to be able to line it up with the other side. See what I mean? I can put it in there and make sure I line it up, the new piece and everything. But like I said, the blue is just there for error, because I do error. All right, let's do it. All right, I got the floor pulled out, and this is the first fitting. It looks pretty good. Everything's kind of lined up to where I had it. I got to remember to keep this line so I can line up this hole with whatever comes next on that. We're going to go ahead and weld this part down, weld it down over here, weld it across, and then we're going to leave this loose, only because I'm going to put the transmission tunnel cover on, and I want to be able to marry it up and cut some more metal off. And it'll be easy because it's on the rotisserie. All right, I went ahead and welded everything in. As you can see, the shiny spots. It's welded on both sides, the tranny hump and the passenger side floor. Pretty much done with that. And here's the other side. It doesn't look that bad. Yeah, it's got its issues, but I still have to put the seat mounts in. That's going to be another video. I wanted to get this one loaded up and move on. And what I'm going to move on to is that issue. So I got to do that. So thanks for watching, and go ahead and comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.